The league has never been as good, I don't think, as it was this year or is this year, and so to do what we did, I mean, is incredible. And then now to do it 10 years in a row, I mean, it never gets old, and it's never easy, and it's always really rewarding, you know. And this team really deserved it. We fought for it tonight. St. Mary's was very game, and they're a tough matchup for us, and they made us earn it.
Yeah, they're a physical team, and we that's our key is defense. So we were trying to just be physical back with them, and we did a good job most of the time and got the win. So happy with that.
You know, you got to make an adjustment. So we did. We went a little bit smaller, and it worked. And we were able to get some good run outs second half. I thought that's what really did it ultimately.
I mean, the past couple games we've had we've been struggling on the outside. So he made it like a important factor today that we actually got it inside and really focused on just like gathering ourselves together and just hitting it high off the glass, trying to draw fouls, but I mean making the 2 points is the most important thing.
Yeah, you never really know until the first half how the game's going to go, and the referees definitely made it clear that it wasn't going to be a hands-off kind of a game. So just adjusting to that. Every refs are different, they're going to call the games different every time, so just adjusting is the hardest thing.
Well, great. I mean, you know, we're so blessed to have, you know, great seniors, especially senior guards. You know, Hayden and Jazzy are just terrific. Stephanie, you know, we didn't get her in tonight, but those three kids are really the heart and soul of our team. They're the last link to our Elite Eight team, and you know, and they show the young kids the way, and they've really been great teachers.
It's amazing. That's what I'm most sad about for senior night. I'm gonna miss my teammates so much. We've just become a family. I love them very much, and I kind of feel like a proud big sister now in a way. So it's so great when we're out there smiling and getting wins.
I've had great players. We've been blessed to have really good players. But yeah, you know, if you think about it, 10 in a row, that's among the best streaks all time in college women's basketball. So you know, we're in a, you know, in the high stratosphere, so to speak, and we need to be really proud of that. We have, I think, a model program. You come to our games, and it's a great atmosphere. We get great fan support. You know, we play good basketball. Obviously, we're fortunate to win, but these guys are more than just basketball players. They're awesome students. They're great in the community. You saw how many homeless people are here tonight. That's thanks to Hayden and the work she's been doing down there at, you know, under the bridge. So, you know, it's just, I'll tell you, I'm really proud in all ways, not just the court. That's what people see, but behind the scenes, and they're great teammates. You know, you don't do this just on talent alone. We have great chemistry, we have great leadership, we have great character.